Nod lang tayo na sa live. 1 minute live to. Or 2 minutes.
Chocolate ice cream.
Crush it, then add it to the blender.
Crush and destroy, then add them into the blender.
Get mini Kit Kat.
I have this Kit Kat. It's not mini, but it's okay.
Add a bunch of Kit Kat to the blender.
Add ridiculous amount of Kit Kat.
Milk, then close the lid.
Add milk and close lid.
Blend it until smooth.
Blend it until smooth.
Ready to serve. Ultimate chocolate milkshake.
Ready to serve. Ultimate chocolate milkshake. And now let's taste it. I'm a little bit scared about the diabetes. I'll take a sip. It's sweet. At first sip, I feel like heaven, but second sip, I feel it take me there. If you want sweet drinks, you can try it. I think this is ultimate diabetes.
Another one to watch again.
Let's make this is you. Oh yeah. Papam papam papam. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I
Live is in part 2. Part 2. Part